If the quality of the video is in low quality, please choose the option high quality for better watching experience. Thank you. Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back for another Gunpla video. For today's video we're gonna take a look for the bootleg G40. This video has not been possible without Prince Ezekiel 24 efforts, so if you can appreciate it please subscribe. Let's start after the intro.
Inside the box of G40.
Stand, weapons.
Head.
Body.
Arms. Legs.
Waist. Combining all the parts. Articulation.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, and want some more video like this, be sure to leave a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And also be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet for more content.
This is Prince Ezekiel 24, leaving some message. Keep safe and take care everyone. Bye bye. Also feel free to check my other videos I created. And that's it. Bye bye.